In today's video, let's see the second part of regulation for emergency training and drills. The link to the second parts is given in the description. The information in this video is sourced from SOLAS, Chapter 3 Life-Saving Appliances and Arrangements, Part B, Requirements for Ships and Life-Saving Appliances, Section I Passenger Ships and Cargo Ships, Regulation 20 Operational Readiness, Maintenance and Inspections. Servicing of inflatable life rafts, inflatable life jackets, marine evacuation systems and maintenance and repair of inflated rescue boats. Every inflatable life raft, inflatable life jacket, and marine evacuation system shall be serviced at intervals not exceeding 12 months, provided where in any case this is impracticable, the administration may extend this period to 17 months. At an approved servicing station which is competent to service them, maintains proper servicing facilities and uses only properly trained personnel. Rotational deployment of marine evacuation systems. In addition to or in conjunction with the servicing intervals of marine evacuation systems required by paragraph 8.1, each marine evacuation system should be deployed from the ship on a rotational basis at intervals to be agreed by the administration, provided that each system is to be deployed at least once every 6 years. An administration which approves new and novel inflatable life raft arrangements pursuant to Regulation 4 may allow for extended service intervals on the following conditions. The new and novel life raft arrangement has proved to maintain the same standard, as required by testing procedure, during extended service intervals. The life raft system shall be checked on board by certified personnel according to paragraph 8.1.1. Service at intervals not exceeding 5 years shall be carried out in accordance with the recommendations of the organization. All repairs and maintenance of inflated rescue boats shall be carried out in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Emergency repairs may be carried out on board the ship, however, permanent repairs shall be effected at an approved servicing station. An administration which permits extension of life raft service intervals in accordance with paragraph 8.3 shall notify the organization of such action in accordance with Regulation I/5B. Periodic servicing of hydrostatic release units. Hydrostatic release units, other than disposable hydrostatic release units, shall be serviced at intervals not exceeding 12 months. Provided where in any case this is impracticable, the administration may extend this period to 17 months. At a servicing station which is competent to service them, maintains proper servicing facilities and uses only properly trained personnel. Remaining subjects will be discussed in next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please share with your friends, and subscribe to MarinAura for more such videos. If you have any queries or comments, drop it in comment box.